here, and I'm here with the amazing, fantastic Jason Miller, content marketing guru of LinkedIn, right?
Grandma Mary, thank you for the kind words there. I can't believe I ran into you. I've never seen you at a conference. I see you documenting conferences everywhere, but it's the first time I've ran into you, so I'm so excited to be here.
I know, it's so fortuitous, and that's a $4 word right there. So now, tell us a little bit, and also I can't neglect to mention that Jason is a hairband aficionado.
Yes, and these bright colors, like I was just mentioning, they're going to have to change this conference to the Bright Colored Pants Conference next year.
I know. What is it with the orange pants?
You say nice pants, and 500 people turn around because they all have orange pants on, right? Anyway,
we're missing our orange pants, unfortunately. So Jason here is with LinkedIn, and I want to find out from him how people can use LinkedIn as a content marketing platform.
That's a great question. A lot of people think of LinkedIn as just your online resume, and the platform has really evolved since then. So now we're moving towards the definitive professional publishing platform, right? So LinkedIn Marketing Solutions is where I work on, the team specifically, and it's all around publishing great content through your hubs, through your content hubs on LinkedIn, being the company page, sponsored updates, slide shares in there, LinkedIn groups. There's plenty of opportunities for marketers that weren't there a few years ago, and there's lots of companies having great success with it.
Yeah, you know, I've seen some fantastic posts on LinkedIn. One thing that I've noticed is that some people are getting way more shares from their LinkedIn posts than they do from their own blog posts.
It's interesting. The publishing platform is something that any one of our members can publish their own long-form content on LinkedIn now, and you share that with your network. It's connected to your profile. It has the chance of being picked up into Pulse and being tagged. So the opportunities for publishing are vast.
Yeah, exactly. Pulse it, baby. That's my message right there. Get out there, get Pulse. Now, how about this? How about duplicate content on LinkedIn versus your own blog? What's the situation with that?
I'm not at liberty to answer that question. What I would say from my SEO friends is that the search engines are smart enough to know where that post was published first. So my educated guess, and don't quote me on this, would be that wherever you post it first, that's going to be the original author, the original content. So just have a strategy in place on where you want to put that content first. Where do you want it to go first?
Exactly. Have a strategy. He's so smart. This is one smart cookie right here. Love it. So anything else that you want to talk about around LinkedIn, how people can, any other things that you guys are doing over there?
I think with the rise of native advertising, there's a huge trend right now, native advertising. I think it's the next big thing. It's advertising in the feed that doesn't look like advertising. The social media marketer's dream, right? And it's forced us all to become better marketers. And I really think if you're going to do native advertising to the professional audience, LinkedIn sponsored updates, that's the way to go. I don't want to be too salesy, but native advertising, man, it's hot. So get on it right now.
You heard it here first. It's hot. Grab it. All right. Thanks so much, Jason. Such a pleasure.
Thanks for having me.
All right. Talk to you next time.